Hello, friends. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will explore the grandeur of Kumbh Mela, one of the largest religious gatherings in the world. From its rich history and types of melas to the unique babas and its impact on the global economy, we'll uncover everything you need to know. Stay tuned till the end for some fascinating unknown facts. What is Kumbh Mela? Kumbh Mela is a massive spiritual festival in India that attracts millions of devotees and ascetics. The term Kumbh means pot, symbolizing the pot of nectar, Amrit, and Mela means fair or gathering. It is deeply rooted in Hindu mythology and is celebrated with great reverence and devotion. The history of Kumbh Mela. The origin of Kumbh Mela is traced to the legend of Samudra Manthan, churning of the ocean. Mythology, the Devas, gods, and Asuras, demons, churned the ocean to obtain Amrit, nectar of immortality. During this process, a few drops of Amrit spilled over 4 places on earth: Prayagraj, Haridwar, Ujjain, and Nasik. Significance: these 4 locations became the sacred sites of Kumbh Mela. Types of Kumbh Mela. Kumbh Mela occurs every 12 years at each of the 4 holy locations. The most recent Kumbh Mela was held in Haridwar in 2021, and the next one will be in 2033. Ardha Kumbh Mela, half Kumbh, celebrated every 6 years alternately in Haridwar and Prayagraj. Purn Kumbh Mela, full Kumbh, another name for the Kumbh Mela, which happens every 12 years. Mahakumbh Mela, Great Kumbh, the rarest and most significant, occurring once every 144 years in Prayagraj. The next Mahakumbh Mela will be in 2025. When and where is Kumbh Mela held? The Kumbh Mela alternates between 4 sacred locations based on celestial alignments: Prayagraj, Allahabad, at the confluence of the Ganga, Yamuna, and the mythical Saraswati rivers; Haridwar, on the banks of the Ganga river; Ujjain, along the Shipra river; Nasik, near the Godavari river. The exact dates are determined by Hindu astrology, aligning with specific planetary positions. World economics and Kumbh Mela tourism boost. The Kumbh Mela attracts millions of pilgrims, including international tourists, significantly boosting the local economy. Employment opportunities. From infrastructure to logistics, the event creates temporary jobs for thousands of people. Cultural diplomacy. Recognized by UNESCO as an intangible cultural heritage, Kumbh Mela promotes India's cultural identity on a global stage. Revenue generation. Kumbh Mela contributes billions to the economy through transportation, accommodation, food services, and handicrafts. Types of babas at Kumbh Mela. Kumbh Mela is renowned for its diverse groups of ascetics and sadhus. Each type of baba has unique practices and philosophies. Naga Babas. Known for their ash-covered bodies and nudity, they renounce all material possessions and symbolize detachment. Urdhva Bahu Babas. These sadhus perform extreme penance by raising their arms for years, representing endurance and devotion. Aghori Babas. Mystical and often feared, they are known for their unconventional rituals involving cremation grounds and spiritual transcendence. Chai Wale Baba. Famous for serving tea to devotees while practicing intense meditation. Mokshapuri Baba, a former soldier who turned into a spiritual guide. Environment Babas, focused on planting trees and protecting nature, like the Baba who planted 2.7 million trees. Rudraksh Baba, decorated with thousands of Rudraksh beads, symbolizing spiritual power. Harley Davidson Baba, modern yet spiritual, he travels on his Harley Davidson bike, attracting attention with his unique style. Unknown facts about Kumbh Mela. UNESCO recognition. Kumbh Mela is listed as an intangible cultural heritage by UNESCO. Largest gathering. The Kumbh Mela holds the record for being the largest peaceful gathering in the world, with over 100 million people attending. Spiritual cleansing. Bathing in the holy rivers during the Mela is believed to cleanse sins and grant liberation from the cycle of life and death. Temporary megacity. During the Mela, a fully functional temporary city is constructed with hospitals, police stations, and sanitation facilities. Tech integration. Recent melas have incorporated drones, GPS tracking, and mobile apps for crowd management and safety. Why Kumbh Mela is special? The Kumbh Mela isn't just a religious event, it's a cultural and spiritual phenomenon. It embodies the unity of humanity, the preservation of ancient traditions, and the quest for divine connection. Conclusion: Kumbh Mela is more than a gathering. It's a celebration of faith, culture, and human resilience. Whether you are a pilgrim seeking spiritual blessings or a curious traveler exploring cultural heritage, Kumbh Mela offers an unparalleled experience. If you enjoyed this detailed insight, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.